This is the Dethleffs Globebus GT motorhome. It's a 7-meter long motorhome costing around 75,000 euros. And inside we have got, well, we've got a bed up here. We've got a almost sort of L-shaped seating area. It's not quite L-shaped because you can't really sit too well on the other side, but it's a nice place to keep your feet. We've got a kitchen with 2 burners here. We've got storage down there, sink, and there's also storage above the kitchen as well. Here is the fridge, and this fridge has also got storage under it. Here we have the washroom, which I think you'd agree is rather nicely appointed for a van of this size. And it also comes with, this one's got a German layout at the back. We've got a storage there. You've got access to the boiler, and we've got there is a wardrobe as well. And this bed, you can make a very large bed using this cushion, pulling this thing here out, and that'll give you an enormous bed here. There's like a shelf up there. I don't think anything other than the shelf. And we've got storage at the back as well. I do like things though to have proper doors on. There is a skylight up there. Here we've got a door. Yes, it's a door. It opens like that, and you can sort of close yourself off if you're in the bedroom. Comes with a mirror. There's a mirror, and bed will pull down. Of course, you make the bed pull down, you've got to put the chairs down so they come down like that. As an integrated van, it's got this nice panoramic front. It's got a sideboard here, which can also be used for storage, although they haven't used below the sideboard either. Now this, I've done a much longer and more detailed video of this van. You're going to have to see that if you want to see the garage and get more information on it. Now I'm now at the showroom Itineo im Allgäu in southern Germany, where I'm filming this now, and this is the place to come, but also not only to see new motorhomes, but also if you want to rent them, because it's the headquarters of the Mack Rent, where they actually rent from. So that's the Globebus GT. Thanks for watching. This is me out.